Okay, let's have a look at the answers to these puzzles. First, let's tackle the easy one. And we need to find checkmate on the next move for white. Here are the squares we need to look at. Are any of them safe for the black king? White's doubled e-pawns cover 2 of the squares, and white's dark squared bishop covers 2 more, leaving b5 as the only safe square. So can we attack along this light squared diagonal? Oh yes! Great work. On to the medium puzzle now. Black to play and mate in 2. And with the white king out in the open, this shouldn't be too hard. Here are the squares the white king might move to, and the black queen is attacking one of them. So first, let's look for checks. There are 2 of them to consider, but only one of them is safe. We should think about the rook check first. The white king would have to move on to the g-file. Can you think 1.5 moves ahead? Can you work out how the black queen could finish the game? White has 2 choices, but it doesn't matter which square the king moves to, because black's checkmate move will be the same. But did you work it out? Hard puzzle now, and it's white to play and mate in 3, and the first thing to notice is white has complete control of the h-file. And the second thing to notice is black's king has only one possible escape route. Black's own pieces are getting in the way, and white's pawns cover some more squares, so black's only way out is f6 and then e7. And so white needs to stop black from doing this. So perhaps it's a good idea to leave this queen here and to use the rook instead, by giving check on h6. It looks a bit crazy because of black's g7 pawn, but why not take a look? White could take the pawn back with the queen. Can you see what black would have to do then? Black would have to move the king to f5. Remember, all of this thinking has to take place in your head. But then what? How would white win? The black king could move to f5 now, but that just speeds things up. So did you work out how white finishes the game?